Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah. Yeah.
Her legs are straight, and then let's take our happy baby, reaching for the outsides.
Monsieur. Monsieur. Bleu. Monsieur. We will make we are looking for alternative for blue shower. We're gonna put this because it's confusing. And this one. This one.
So dangerous. And waving around her face. And the blade. Side of the blade. And the handle.
Look at that bamboo. Wet. Wet. That bum is wet. Oh, so cute, my son.
Just resting your hands on your knees. Begin to simply roll the shoulders. Reach both arms into the sky. Get a nice big reach. And as you exhale, release one hand down. Go ahead, let's do a side stretch here. Begin to round forward. Come through the center, and then that top arm is going to come behind your back. And then the right hand is going to come over to your left knee as you take your seat. It will also teach you to have patience with your body. Breathe in and exhale, sinking a little bit deeper into that side stretch. You can release that other elbow to the mat, that's great. If you want, just keep the hand.
My body is too tired.
Continuing to open up.
Yoga.
Good. Just keep your eyes closed, keep your awareness internally.
Wonderful.
And then round forward. See if you can go a little bit deeper into your twist with each exhalation. Remember, never force anything. If you feel
Are you
restriction,
not supposed
just
to breathe
into
again?
it. And if your body responds to your breath, it allows you to let go. And then go deeper.
Can't sit and cover.
And then begin to slowly release until you can extend those elbows all the way out. Keep holding onto the back of the knees and just stay here.
Wait, yoga mat.
Keeping that chin tucked into the chest, take a deep breath in. Now on your exhalation, come up to center. Arch the back, look up towards the sky. Just open up your upper back into the opposite direction. And then round back down, this time making our way all the way to the mat. Feel free to extend those arms in front of you. Once your back and your head reach the mat, go ahead and bring both of your knees into the chest. Giving yourself a big loving hug here. Feel free to begin to rock side to side.